come on in. How's everyone doing out there? Hey guys, Father Paul Herrick here, Director of the Catholic Newman Center out here at Eastern Washington University. For the past 6 years, this little center, actually it's a house, 900 square foot house, has hosted masses, Newman nights that we're having tonight. I'm guessing over about 5,000 students have been affected by the ministry of the Catholic Newman Center. We've also been blessed to have focused missionaries for the last 5 years, and their effect has been significant. But what's most of all is that this Newman Center is making an impact here on campus in the lives of hundreds of students each week. I'm going to invite you in this season to consider contributing to a future full of hope, which is now. The impact and the ability to change the lives of students one person at a time is more important now than ever. I need your support. I need your help. But most of all, I really need a new center. My hope is this summer is that we're able to break ground on a brand new Catholic Newman Center that will radically and continually change the lives of students here and afar. Thanks so much for all your support. God bless you. Bye-bye.